Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Cusimax dual hot plate. I've already been using this for a month now, so I'm going to show you how it works, how it looks, and then I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see here, this is a stainless steel surface, so it makes it easy to clean. It has your little burner and then a larger burner. You have two knobs here to set your temperature. So it goes from off all the way to 11 on both sides. It has the indicator lights here to show you if the side is on or hot. This is how it looks on the sides. It has the little feet on the bottom. So you could put this on any surface without having to worry that it's going to burn it. So you can see here that I'm using a little lap table to use this. So this is great for basements, if you're going camping, if you're in a hotel room and you want to cook something up real quick. Let me show you how well it works. Okay, so I'm going to show you with myself boiling some water here. I've used this to make full dishes with the two burners, with the frying pan to fry some eggs, cook bacon, or even stir fry some food. It's very easy to use. So when you put it on the burner that you want it, and all you do is just turn it on here. I'm going to put it to 7, and then that way you'll see how well that it works. Okay, so I'll show you how hot it gets. So I'm going to put this to the top. I have my... that this heats up pretty quickly. You can see how hot this is getting right in the middle. Over 500 degrees in the middle. So you can see here that the water is almost boiling. This is a great hot plate to make it for soups. You want to make teas, coffee, whatever liquid that you need to boil or cook. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great stainless steel dual hot plate. I like how easy it is to clean, and I like how hot that the two burners get. So this is great for camping trip or any kind of vacations where you don't have mini stoves with you, but you want to cook. And this is also great to use in the basements. This is a great product to have. I also like how it has the knobs here to set the temperature and the indicator lights to let you know when the unit is on or not. This works very well. Thanks for watching.